Hey, today I am going to share a very critical issue with you that most of the people neglect. Do you know psychological factors can significantly influence blood pressure, BP? Stress, anxiety, and depression can all contribute to elevated BP levels. When individuals experience stress or anxiety, their body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can cause temporary spikes in BP. Chronic stress or anxiety can lead to long-term high BP, increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Moreover, depression is associated with higher BP, possibly due to changes in neurotransmitter levels and unhealthy coping behaviors like overeating or lack of physical activity. Managing stress, anxiety, and depression through techniques such as mindfulness, relaxation exercises, therapy, and medication when necessary can help in controlling BP levels. Stress can be categorized into various types: acute stress, short-term stress response to immediate challenges or situations; chronic stress, long-term stress caused by ongoing situations or persistent issues; physical stress, stress on the body due to physical factors like illness, injury, or strenuous exercise; psychological stress, stress related to mental or emotional factors such as work pressure, relationship problems, or financial worries; environmental stress, stress triggered by external factors such as noise, pollution, or overcrowding; social stress, stress arising from social interactions, social pressure, or feelings of isolation; traumatic stress, severe stress resulting from a traumatic event like a natural disaster, accident, or violence; work stress, stress experienced in the workplace due to job demands, deadlines, conflict, or job insecurity; financial stress, stress caused by financial worries, debt, or unstable economic conditions; relationship stress, stress stemming from difficulties in personal relationships, whether romantic, familial, or social; anxiety. Feelings of anxiety or panic can lead to a spike in blood pressure. Depression. Chronic depression can impact blood pressure over time. Anger. Sudden bursts of anger, or prolonged feelings of anger, can elevate blood pressure. Emotional reactivity. Individuals who react strongly to emotional stimuli may experience fluctuations in blood pressure. Personality traits. Certain personality traits, such as hostility and type A behavior, have been linked to higher blood pressure levels. Social support. Lack of social support or feelings of isolation can also impact blood pressure. It's essential to manage these psychological factors through techniques such as relaxation exercises, mindfulness, therapy, and healthy coping mechanisms to help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Manage your blood pressure by quitting smoking, following a heart-healthy eating pattern, reducing your salt, sodium intake, be physically active, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, limiting your alcohol intake to no more than 10 standard drinks a week and no more than 4 drinks on any one day. A systemic cleansing and detox is definitely the way to go after each holiday. It is the key to fighting the high blood pressure, heart disease, cancer, and other health-related illness. Take care of yourself, be healthy, and always you can be successful in anything you truly want. Here are various psychological solutions for coping with the psychological effects on blood pressure. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. CBT helps identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to stress and anxiety, which can in turn affect blood pressure. Biofeedback. This technique teaches you to control physiological processes such as heart rate and muscle tension, helping to manage stress and lower blood pressure. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR. MBSR combines mindfulness meditation and yoga to cultivate awareness and reduce stress. which can positively impact blood pressure. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR. PMR involves systematically tensing and relaxing different muscle groups to induce a state of relaxation and reduce stress. Visualization, guided imagery or visualization techniques involve imagining calming scenes or experiences to promote relaxation and lower blood pressure. Journaling, writing about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, can provide insight into sources of stress and help manage emotions effectively. Social support, engage in meaningful social connections with friends, family, or support groups to receive emotional support and reduce feelings of isolation or stress. Problem-solving skills, learn effective problem-solving techniques to address stressors and challenges in life, reducing their impact on blood pressure. Assertiveness training, develop assertiveness skills to communicate effectively and set boundaries, which can reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Self-care practices, prioritize self-care activities such as hobbies, relaxation techniques, and enjoyable activities to reduce stress and promote psychological well-being.